What's going on, everybody? It's Dinero here, and I want to personally welcome you to the big leagues where we show you how to make $6,000 in 1 week. All right, everybody. So, now, before we go any further, I'm about to show you some proof of the results I've been getting over the past 7 days. I want you to share this video because this video needs to get out there. Everybody needs to watch this video because I'm going to share some things at the end that I've been wanting to say for a while. All right, now let's get to it. Now, first off, right here, what you're looking at on your screen, this is a list of all the people that are in my pay line in Xplocial. Now, what I'm going to do is, today's the 12th. All right, it's the 12th. It's 9:15 in the morning. Now, I'm going to calculate because my 1 month anniversary was the 4th of July, and so I'm going to calculate all the people on my team from the 4th until the 11th. The 4th until the 11th, a full 7 days. All right? It made a month on the 4th. The 11th makes exactly a week from the 4th. So let's calculate everything in that time frame. So what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this right here. And then I'm just going to do it simple. I'm going to do it fast. And I'm just going to type in right here in the search bar. And this is going to give you the amount of it's going to give you the amount of July 12th, 2013s or whatever I put here on the search bar right here on the right. It says 3. You see July 12th, 2013, 2 of 3, which is this is the second one or the third one. So it's 2 of 3. So you have 3 right here. 3 July 12ths. So I'm going to do that through every day from the 4th until the 11th. And we're going to see exactly how much money I've been able to get within the past 7 days. All right, so let's type in July 4th. So July 4th has 10. You see it says 10 right here. So let's write that down. 4th, 10. Perfect. So we don't forget. Now July 5th. It has 5. You see it has 5. So 5. Oh, and by the way, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to get the total, the number, the amount of people that are in my pay line from the 4th through the 11th. And what I'm going to do is the total of all those people, however many there are, I'm going to multiply it by 29 because I get a $29 commission per person. Let me repeat that. That's a $29 commission per person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all these up and then I'm going to multiply that by 29. And then I'm going to do the same for the platinum membership. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, just in case you're confused. All right, so I got 5 for the 5th. Now for the 6th, July 6th, I had 9 people right there. You see? 9. July 6th, 9. So I'm going to write that down right here. 6, 9. Now the 7th. How many people on the 7th? 19 on the 7th. Wow. 19 on the 7th. 19. So now the 8th. How many people on the 8th? The 8th, I got 9 on the 8th. On the 8th, I have 9. So I'm going to put 9 here. Whoops. Man, all the numbers are coming out tiny now. So whatever, it doesn't matter. So that's 8 on 9 on the 8th. Now on the 9th, I have 4. That's 4 on the 9th. On the 10th, I have 6. 6 on the 10th. And on the 11th, I have 5. 5 on the 11th. So now let's add this up. So that means I have 10 plus 5 plus 9 plus 19 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. 67. All right, so I have 67 total people in my pay line from the 4th through the 11th. I have a few more today, but I'm not counting those. And I have a bunch from before, but I'm not counting those. I'm counting the past 7 days, all right? From the 7th through the 11th. I'm sorry, from the 4th through the 11th. So 67 times 29 is $1,943 in the gold membership. So I'm going to put that right here. Man, now all the numbers are coming out small. I know why. I'll, I'll change all that right now. There you go. All right, so what was that again? 1,943. 1943. Gold membership. Gold. All right, so gold is 1,943. So now let's go to the platinum. Let's see what I have in the platinum. I'm gonna do the same thing, all right, from the 4th through the 11th. So July 4th. July 4th, I have 5. So one day I had $500, not including the gold. This is only in the platinum. I had $500 in one day. I mean, that alone. I mean, where else do you see these kind of numbers? So July 4th is 5. Let me put that down here. 5. On the 5th, I have 4. So let me put that down here. On the 5th, I have 4. 4. On the 5th, I have 4. On the 6th, I have 8. $800 on the 6th. Wow, and that's not even including the gold membership. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, you don't see that anywhere else, you know. That's just crazy. Those are crazy numbers. Over $800 in one day, and that's not even including the gold. So, all right, so let's go to the 7th. 7th, I have 15. Wow, $1,500 in the platinum alone on the 7th. So on the 7th, I have 15. Guys, come on, man. 1,500. That's not including the gold. And these are monthly residuals now. These aren't one-time payments. These are monthly residuals. So we got 15 on the 7th. Now the 8th. Let's see how many on the 8th. 4 more on the 8th. 4 more on the 8th. On the 9th. Let's see. Oh, 0 on the 9th. It's all good. Made enough money to keep me above waters on the 9th, but I still got a bunch of gold signups on the on the gold membership on the 9th. So now the 10th. Let's see what we have there. So we have 2 more on the 10th. That's 200. 2 more. 2. Whoops. Put that on the 9th. 2 on the 10th. 2 on the 10th. And the 11th, 2 more. 2 more. So now let me make these numbers bigger. Perfect. All right. So that is a total of, let's calculate. Let's clear this. So that's a total of 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 15 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 equals 40. So that's $4,000 because 40 times 100 is $4,000. So now let's add it up. Platinum is $4,000. Let's add it up. 4,000 plus 1,943 in 1 week. This is 1 week, 7 days. Not the whole month. This is only 7 days. All right, so 4,000 plus 1943 plus 1943. It's $5,943 in 7 days. It's safe to say I made $6,000 in 7 days. Where do you see these kind of numbers? You don't see these kind of numbers anywhere. $5,943 in 7 days in monthly residual.